Hello, it's Christoph here again. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a neon sign from any icon or a vector or anything. So it's really basic. You just find something, some illustration, maybe a logo, or for example here on this flat icon website, you can find some high quality icons for free. So I really like this one, and we're just gonna download the PNG and um yeah, this is. But I actually think we need a bit different type of icon. So because I will show you why this is also usable, but it will be a different solution to this. So maybe let's use something like this. Oops, what's up? Yes, so something like this. So let's download the PNG and yeah, free download. You must attribute the free pick author of this icon. Remember that. And we have our icon. So I can open it in Photoshop. So Photoshop is loading up. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna transform the icon in Photoshop into a work path. I'll show you how to do it in a second. Yes. So, oh. So this is our Photoshop. And now we're gonna select the magic wand tool and just select the artwork. So now we're gonna go to edit, or maybe right click, and yeah, right click and make work path. You need to set the tolerance to 2 pixels, so that's okay. And now we go to file and we go to export and path to Illustrator. So we have our work path here. It's the path is this blue path. You can see the tolerance made it so that it's not really accurate, but I think it doesn't matter that much. So it exports our work path, and we can go and just export it somewhere. So then we go to Cinema 4D, and we're gonna import the work path if I find it somewhere. Yes. So you just plug in the Illustrator file and just select OK. And now we have our beautiful work path right here. Okay. So this is like so now we have the splines in Cinema 4D that are the same as the icon. So now we're gonna take the splines. Let's pull them out of this, and maybe we can create something like I know there was a something like connecting the splines, but I can't really see it right now, so it doesn't really matter. We're gonna create a circle, which can be, okay, I don't know the sizes. Okay, we need to make it XZ, yes, and make it like 2 centimeters. Okay, so this path are really small, so we need to increase it. Oops, like this with the blue. Yes. So maybe something like this, and the circle can be 1 centimeter. I don't know. Maybe 2 was okay. And now we're gonna select the sweep. Okay. And we're gonna plug in the path and the circle. And what it did, it created the sweep, but it's in a wrong direction. So I need to, yes. So it needs to be XY. Yes. And now you can see we have this this beautiful neon tube. So we're gonna duplicate these, and we're just gonna replace the path with this. Okay, like this. Oh, yes. So, and now we have the nice tube logo. So now we can how to create the neon lines. I'm gonna show it how to do it in Octane. So we're gonna fire up Octane, and maybe let's decrease the circles to something like, okay, it's a bit laggy right now. Okay, good. Let's plug it in here, and let's decrease the size of the circle to right around 1.5. I think this will look better. Yes. So now we are gonna create an Octane material, diffuse material, and let it be. Let's go to the emission, black body emission, and let's put it on the sweeps. So this isn't quite working. Okay, it should be right now. And let's add in an HDRI. Yes, so we can see the glow. So this is if you want to make it white, but I think we would rather make it something like some different colors. So we're gonna go to this texture, C40 Octane, and select RGB spectrum, and let's go to something like this. Maybe yes. So now it's shining in violet. So you can play with it. If you like decrease it, it's gonna be, because if it's too much, it's gonna be like white on the inside. So you're gonna decrease it to something like this, maybe like 14. So it's nice and neony, and we can like just build a random scene around it. So let's just create a landscape, so you have the better understanding of how it actually works, So let's make it like very big. Okay, maybe this would be enough. And let's make the scale like, yes, like this. Okay, let's set the scale to 10. And yeah, so let's change the seed a bit. Okay, now we're gonna select these, Alt G to make it a null, so we can work with them, and we can just plug it somewhere in there. So you can see it's now like a shining objects in our scene. Like we could add some different HDRIs. Maybe we could make the landscape into subdivision surface like this. Maybe we could make it like some material. Sorry, not this thing. Something like this with bump map. Okay, so let's plug it in here with a noisy bump map. Maybe let's increase it, the noise. So let's make it like 50%. Okay, this increase it to like 300. So now it has these bigger areas. Maybe let's make it more contrasty. This is just blank, I want to show you. Maybe the 100 was, oops. Yes. So maybe let's even decrease it to like 50. So now it has some texture to it. Okay, maybe let's decrease it even to 20. So we have our scene right here. You could further improve it with adding like HDRI or some different textures, materials, maybe some background. Like you can play with it, but this is just the basic that I wanted to show you how to create the neon tubes from any icon or any image. So this is it for this tutorial. If you liked it, click subscribe, like the video. I also have a Cinema 4D and Octane masterclass on Udemy, so you can check this one out also. And see ya.